What is term? What is term? Term, okay. What is term? Terms or term, no problem. ये बहुत important है. While discussing or talking about the electron energy level, so we use the term microstatum. So now, what is the meaning of term? So energy levels. Energy level which are arises from electronic configuration. So energy levels which are arises from electronic configuration are called as term. Are called as term. See, the term depend on or terms depend on. See what I'm writing here. Capital L and capital S values. Remember, the term depend on the capital L and capital L values. Okay. The formula of term, or we can say terms can be designated as term can be designated as, see how. See, I'm writing here L J and power is 2s plus 1. So don't forget, this is a term. Okay. What is S? 2s plus 1. So 2s plus 1 is nothing but the multiplicity. Okay, ये है. What is L? L is term symbol. And what is J? J is nothing but the, it is what we can say angular momentum quantum number, we can say total angular momentum quantum number. Fine. So this is nothing but the total angular momentum quantum number. So while if you have this S value and J value, we can easily find out the term for any electron, no problem. Okay. So now, what is S here? What is S? Okay. What is S? So S is nothing but capital S. We are talking about capital S. This one, capital S, is nothing but the total spin quantum number. So we will learn how to find out total spin quantum number. Okay. S is nothing but total spin quantum number. And what is capital L? This L, how we can get it? L is called total orbital quantum number. So it J, how to find out J? So it is what? Total orbital quantum number. So total orbital quantum number. So J is equal to L plus S. Okay. J is equal to this J, I write J is equal to L plus S to L minus S. Those value falls between this is J values. We will learn this, how we can explore this idea, how we can calculate this. Okay, fine. Now see, if you know the value of L, if you know the value of S, then we can get J, you can write J. Okay. Now see, sometimes this L is also replaced by some other letter. You may find L, or sometimes you can find X. So this is also correct. Okay, don't get confused. To avoid this similarities L and L, so they have used X. So we can also use X here. Okay. So in few books, if you read few books, and you will find that some have used X term symbol and some has used L. So both are correct. No need to worry about that. Fine. Okay. So now next point. आप सब लोग लिख रहे हैं ना, ये इसकी नोट्स नहीं है, मैं ये नोट्स बना रहा हूँ चिट्ठियों पर, एंड देन आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू. सो यू राइट. अगर मैं फास्ट हो रहा हूँ तो यू कैन टेल मी सर थोड़ा स्लो जाए, इसलिए मैं एवरीथिंग आई एम राइट. ओके. Now see here. Okay. Now see how to get the value of L. How to get the value of L? L is equal to total. It is what? Total orbital quantum number. Total orbital quantum number. S is what? Total spin quantum number. We can say L is equal to magnetic angular momentum quantum. First 1 plus 2 plus value 3 plus continue no problem, 4 plus and so on. जितने भी possible रहेंगे values we can write L is equal to summation of all magnetic angular momentum quantum values, and it is I. Okay, means I means what? Everlasting, means all the possible values can be included or some of this one. Similarly, how we can add for S? So S is, we can write magnetic spin quantum number, angular momentum spin momentum. So MS1, same, MS2, MS3, MS4, we can go to MS up to N values. We can say it is the summation of, okay, MS values for I numbers, okay, of orbitals. I number of orbitals. That's it. Fine. Now the term symbols depend on L values as shown. See how. So we can, what is the sentence? The term symbol जो होता है, there is X, depends on L value. How? See here how. When L value is 0, X is what? X means term symbol will be capital S. When L value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is S, P, D, F, G, H, I. ये आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. अगर ये याद नहीं हुआ, you cannot solve any problem on this. I am telling you all. ये अगर याद नहीं हुआ, you will not able to solve any problem.